So, well, okay, everybody, it's your girl, Cake Mix, Aisha Mills, out the house, but for the wrong reason. I'm glad to be out the house, even though I look like Wednesday Adams, but I'm out. I gotta go back to the hospital to get this wound vac empty. It is full, y'all. Look at that. And so it keeps giving a clog signal, and the only people that can empty it is the ER because oh shoot, because no one else has orders. But no, that's okay. I'm okay. To mess with it. So yeah, I gotta go to the ER to get this taken care of. I hope that that's the machine beeping. That we're not there long. That they don't treat it like they don't know what to do. That they just change it and let me go home so I can take a bath and get in my bed. So y'all pray for me and pray that it's quick, painless, and I will holler at you guys later. Y'all, it is so many people over here, but hopefully I can be fast tracked to where that I won't have to be here so long. My heart is just breaking. It's a lady in here and she's in so much pain, and it just breaks my heart. So I've been praying for her, and I said y'all would pray for everybody in here as well. Thank you. Okay, this is a Prevena Plus 125 wound vac. That signal right there means that it's clogged. That one there means it has a leak. That one would mean it needs to be charged. This is how many days I have left on it. This cannot be changed out. The whole thing has to be replaced. Like, it cannot be drained. Just to let y'all guys know, because these are new. So a lot of people don't have a lot of information on them, but they cannot be drained. The whole thing has to be replaced. Okay. Prevena Plus 125 therapy unit, aka wound vac. This is where the charger goes, you guys. And this cover does come off. Let me see. The cover does come off. And this back part does separate from here. But this whole clear part cannot be drained. It has to be replaced. FYI. Okay, guys, so we finally got this thing changed out. That is the one that we have to take out and replace it with this one. You just simply snap it out, take out these hoses here after you clamp it off. Um, Clamp it off. Remove that part. See, and it snaps back in. And you just replace the hoses and it goes. Ew.